Hi, my name is Lee King. I'm the facilitator of the Inner Peace Retreat at Getaway Forest Retreat. I like to refer to myself as the accidental meditator because meditation was really the last thing on my mind. Having worked in Shanghai for 8 years, fast-paced, efficient, productive was top priority. Hence, sitting around doing nothing was really something that I was not interested in at all. However, with the kind guidance of my spiritual guide, His Eminence Tsem Rinpoche, I discovered the power of meditation. I discovered that by stilling the external activities, I reconnect to the internal activities, which is my thoughts. I begin to develop clarity in my thoughts, I enhanced memory, and this translated into better communication skills, being more receptive to the people I am with, and hence be able to make sound and effective decisions. The Inner Peace Retreat program was especially designed based on this experience of a beginner. So what is the Inner Peace Retreat? The Inner Peace Retreat is a 2-day, 1-night program especially designed for beginners and those who wish to understand and know more about meditation and its benefits. You will be able to learn the fundamental techniques to sitting, walking, and contemplative meditation. Additionally, you will be able to practice these new knowledge within the embrace of Mother Nature. After each session, you will be able to share your experience, raise questions, and give insights to me and other participants. The Inner Peace Retreat is held at Getaway Forest Retreat, which is just 1 hour away from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia's capital. Getaway Forest Retreat has many beautiful gardens as well as monuments whereby you will be able to practice walking meditation as well as sitting meditation. In this beautiful and peaceful environment, it is the perfect getaway from the hustle and bustle of city living. In the past 4 years, I've had the honor to work with more than 400 people. And each of them have reported a lot of benefits that they've experienced through their meditation practice. One impressionable story is that of a young woman who was at the junction of her life and she was not clear on what she needed to do. Through meditation, she had the clarity of thought that made a very important decision of her life, because 3 years later, she's still walking down that same path, happy, contented, and fulfilled. Another story I would like to share is that of an elderly gentleman. He joined the Inner Peace Retreat at 60, not believing that he could learn any new skill or adapt himself to the new times. However, through walking meditation, he learned to be present. He learned to develop new habits that did not only benefit himself, but also improve the relationship he had with his family. I look forward to welcoming you to Getaway Forest Retreat to embark on your journey into mindfulness. Find out more and register at getawayforestretreat.com. I look forward to see you soon.